These two sides are sure to draw a big crowd, and there's no exception today.
Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises.
And this is the 11 unveiled by the home team. And here is the away team formation. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game.
Passed inside. Passed inside.
Mbappe.
And it's back to the keeper.
Back to the goalkeeper.
Oh, look at that showboating.
Oh, well timed.
Played back to the goalkeeper.
Headed on.
Played wide.
Well timed then. Great defending. Confident pass. Finds his teammate.
Ibrahimovic.
Nifty bit of footwork there.
Great ball.
De Jong.
Lamela.
Passing the ball really well.
Poor attempt to win the ball.
He's cut it back inside.
Can he finish it? Well taken goal. Well, if you put those shots into the top corners, any goalkeeper will struggle to get there. We won't get bored of seeing this one again.
A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. Oh, that was nice. Good distribution.
That's nicely played.
Pedro.
Has a crack. Ooh, not the best effort there.
Well, let's take another look at that. The referee calls play back for an offside. He's headed the ball forward, and we're entering stoppage time now. Buffon's got it.
And it's half-time then. This team have made changes. Looks like they're really going for it in the second half.
Some safe passing from this team.
Oh, wonderful trickery here.
Good ball. Oh, that could be painful.
Well, he's got to be off. It's a straight red.
Headed on. Finds his teammate.
That's good link-up play. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Passed well.
Mbappe. Great chance here. Great technique. He's onside here. Is De Jong. Top-class finish there. And he's found the back of the net. What a great goal.
Well, let's have a look at that one again.
It's 2-0 now.
He's unstoppable with the ball. Ronaldo!
Good block there. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look.
Let's see how this sub changes things. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
nicely played.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. You've got to admire skill like that.
The ball played back.
Confident pass. This is Piqué. Oh, defending.
Shoots! Close, but not close enough.
A chance to have a better look here.
It's going to be a double substitution today. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant.
Volleyed forward.
Ibrahimovic.
Nifty bit of footwork there.
Good ball. Dangerous tackle there. Ibrahimovic. Ter Stegen. Great save.
Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Aim towards the penalty spot.
Pedro.
And that's a goal kick.
Kicked outfield.
They've won the ball back again. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
And he stayed onside. And there's the shot. And that is a fantastic goal.
The replay will give us a closer look. The fourth official has indicated 6 minutes of stoppage time. The players are eager to get the game going again. The striker...
Not a good challenge.
Long shot.
Oh, great save.
Finds his teammate.
That's good link-up play.
He's so skillful on the...
He tries something special. Goodness me, that was close.
Let's take another look at that. Keeper put his boot behind that.
No doubt in my mind with that decision. This player has been outstanding and deserves being named man of the match.